Hello there guys, I'm Ranula De Silva. Today I'm going to show you how to redraw uniform stroke weighted design into a vector illustration using a time-saving, much effective smart workflow in Adobe Illustrator. My major goal here is to show you how to pre-plan a project before getting into the software and tackle with the tools. We all can learn the software, but creative thinking is what we want to achieve as designers. To achieve my goal, I will first go to Photoshop to demonstrate how an average designer thinks. Then we'll jump into Illustrator to achieve a clear and a smart workflow. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Well, I have opened my reference image in Photoshop. I would like to show you how an average designer thinks of redrawing this design. He will jump right into the tools and will look forward to finishing up the project much quicker and easier. Let me show you an example. Some designers draw the inner shape with the pen tool, then will offset the path, then will round off the corners to match the original design. You might be thinking, what's wrong with that, Ranula? Well, there's nothing wrong with that. But what if? What if the client would like to change the stroke weight of a whole complex design in future? Well, that's where my workflow comes in handy. So, let me switch to Illustrator and show you the creative thinking process behind my workflow as I go. Let's go learn it. First of all, I will go to my View panel and I will turn off Snap to Pixel because we don't need it for this task. And I'm going to move to my Layers panel. And as you can see, I have placed the reference image in my reference image layer. I'm gonna double click it, then I'm gonna dim images to 50% because I need some visual control over my original image, and I'm gonna lock it. Then I'm gonna switch to my artwork layer, and if you look closer, this design is a combination of a semicircle and a rectangle. With that in mind, let's proceed. I'm gonna zoom in, then I'm gonna grab my rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to match the stroke width of the original design. Okay, place it in the middle and make a duplicate, place it on the bottom. Okay, then I'm gonna make another duplicate. I'm gonna rotate it at 90 degrees while holding shift. Then I'm going to place it on the right side, another duplicate, and place it on the left side. These rectangles are my helpers to measure the stroke width of the original design. I will select my helpers and grab 4 guides and will place them on the center points of the helpers. Okay, great. Now we can delete our helpers. I'm gonna grab my rectangle tool again. Then I'm gonna draw a rectangle along the guides. Then I'm gonna grab my direct selection tool. Then select the topmost anchor points. Then I'm gonna round them off. Okay. Then I will select the path. I will go to the strokes panel. Then I'm gonna align stroke to center, then corner to round join. Then I'm gonna highlight the weight. I'm gonna scroll up while looking at this point. Okay. As you can see, it's scanning the weight, and let's stop when it comes to a recent amount. Yeah, I think 35 will be enough. Press enter. Let me put our new illustration to the side and give a matching color to the stroke. I hope that you can understand that this is a much better workflow to achieve this type of task. We already achieved the round corners as well, and we did it with the least amount of anchor points. It will be much easier to even tweak the design in future if needed. This was a very easy image to redraw, but when it comes to complex designs like this, you can apply the same thinking method and go for a much productive workflow. I will put a link to these two images so you can download them and give them a try yourself. Apply my technique. If you need a full tutorial on how to redraw this complex design, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you out. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please share it with your friends. Let someone learn something new. I will be more than happy to know your ideas about my tutorial. Was my teaching method good? Did I miss something? What to improve? Please feel free to comment below. Please like my video if you liked it, hit subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new tutorial. Well, that's all for today. See you guys with a new tutorial. Take care, goodbye.